Hello everyone. We are going to start today about the writing paragraph and why paragraph important in our life. So today our topic is writing paragraph. So first of all, we need to understand about what is a paragraph, and so a paragraph is a group of sentences that tells about one subject or area. So, paragraph, we are just paraphrasing, with the help of paragraph. The help of paragraph writing, we are just paraphrasing some ideas. We are just paraphrasing some sentences that tells about one subject or area. Each sentence in a paragraph must give information about the topic. So, if we are talking about the paragraph, so in paragraph we are just giving some important information about the topic. So now we are just taking some learning objectives of paragraph writing. So the course has some essays by various Indian and foreign authors on various topics designed to acquaint the students with the means and techniques to put their views in a well structured manner. The student will learn different ideas and concepts through their reading of essays. So besides basics of grammar like parts of speech, tenses, vocabulary, exercise are so designed to teach the students basic tool of English language and upgrade their ability to functional utilizations of the language through the practical application of grammar rules. So now we are just focusing toward the some objectives of paragraph writing. So we need to focus about the some techniques, how to structure our paragraph, and the student will also focus will also learn different ideas and concept through their reading of essays. So besides we also focus about the parts of speech. Parts of speech is very important in grammar portion, grammar section, because we also need to focus about some nouns and their pronouns, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are basic foundation and basic part of any paragraph writing or any writing. Okay, so tenses is also play a very important part in paragraph writing. So, if we are talking about some sentences, so present time of an expression should be there, past time of an expression should be there, or future. So, tenses is also play a very vital role in paragraph writing. Then after our vocabulary. So, vocabulary play very important area from any paragraph. So exercises are so designed to teach our student basic tools of English language, upgrade their ability to function utilizations of the language. So now, so reasons to write a paragraph. So first of all, things should be in our mind. Key reasons to write a paragraph. So first of all, describe something. If we are writing a paragraph, if we are thinking to write a writing a paragraph, so first of all, describe something and tell a story, explain something, and to persuade. So the most important part, the most important thing is कि we must describe something. Whatever we want to discuss, or whatever we want to write, so it should be described. So we must describe, something on that. Tell a story if we are writing a paragraph or concluding something on there. So tell a story and explain something and persuade. Then after, there are some learning outcomes also here to write a paragraph. At the end of the course, the student will be able to write the paragraph with the topic. So before writing a paragraph, so some healthy sentences should be there, some sentences and examples should be there. So first of all, the most important thing is why we are writing a paragraph. So, and what is the purpose of any paraphrasing? Yeah, what is the purpose of any paragraph writing? So, if our purpose is not clear, point is not clear, कि why we are writing a paragraph, and our topic is not clear, so it is very difficult to understand even, or even to write it also. So, first of all, we need to focus about the importance. We must focus about the paragraph. We must focus about the topic. So supportive sentences should be there, and concluding sentences also there. Write his or her views and opinions in a few words possible. If we are talking, or if we are saying something on paragraph, so are some views and opinions in a few words possible? If we views and opinions in a few words possible, and produce coherent and unified paragraphs with adequate support details. Write an effective introduction and conclusion. So this is the most important part of any paragraph. Key are supportive sentences, supportive ideas, and concluding sentences, starting, and our topic. So, write an effective introduction. First of all, if our introduction, if a title is not clear, title is not effective, so it would be more difficult to understand even about the introduction, about the effective introduction of any paragraph. So, effective introduction should be there, and we must conclude our paragraph. And now we are just moving on, parts of a paragraph. So these are some parts of a paragraph. So first of all, topic sentence. So it states the main idea of the paragraph. It tells the reader what the paragraph will be about. A good topic sentence does two things. It names a subject. It gives the focus on main point. So first of all, paragraph. If we are writing a paragraph, the topic sentences should be clear. State the main idea of the paragraph. First of all, states the main idea. Okay, so we are just talking about the main point or main idea of the paragraph. It tells the reader what the paragraph will be about. So first of all, this thing is it will be clear. It will be clear in mind कि what the paragraph will be about, on which topic, on which paragraph. So a good topic sentence does two things. Always a good topic sentence does always two things. First of all, name a subject. Second, about the give the focus or main point. So subject, suppose we can take any subject. Suppose Egypt we are taking. So main focus on the region, Egyptian religion, main focus on the gods. So this is what we are just discussing, and what we are sharing here about the knowledge on a paragraph. If we are talking about the writing of paragraph, all things always should are mind, grammatically also. Some points are parts of the speeches, and we talk about the tenses. Okay, so these are very basic points. We need to just focus on that before writing a paragraph. Supporting details. Now supporting details mean sentences that are connected to the main ideas. Uh, we have started a paragraph. Suppose we have started a paragraph on Egypt. So, some sentences, some supportive, ideas, some supportive, examples, supportive connectors connected. So, sentences that are connected to the main idea. Okay, they include information or details the reader needs in order to understand the topic. If we are not giving or not adding any information, details, if we are not adding any details over here, over there, so reader needs to focus or understand about the topic. Okay, so needs in order to understand the topic, sentences should be ordered in the best possible order. If we if we have ordered our sentences, if we have ordered our paragraph well mannerly and clearly, effectively, so So this is called, we are just supporting and just adding some, more information there. So main ways to do this is either by time, location, or importance. So this is, supporting details, supporting ideas, supporting information. So reader can understand clear, about it, on which topic, on which subject you are just focusing. And also we need to focus about the, main part, and the, main part or main subject, and with the example, with an example. Now closing statement. Now we are just concluding. So before concluding and before ending our paragraph, so some, complementary clause should be there, closing statement should be there. It sum up the paragraph's message, it reminds the readers of the topic. Now, so this is, paragraph details and closing statement. The ancient Egyptians believed in many different gods and goddesses, and each one had their own role to play in maintaining peace and harmony across the land. Some gods and goddesses took part in creation. Other gods and goddesses brought the floods every year. Some offered protection and some took care of people after they died. So Egyptians had local gods who represented towns and minor gods who represented plants or animals. The ancient Egyptians believed that it was important to recognize and worship these gods and goddesses so that life continued smoothly. So now what we have seen from this paragraph, now these are some details. Details are here. Details paragraph we have just discussed these from these lines about the Egyptians, goddess and gods and their role. So what they are doing, they are just maintaining peace and harmony across the land. So now with closing statement, we are just talking about the, beliefs that it was important to recognize and worship these gods and goddesses so that life continues smoothly. So we can take different paragraphs. Not only we are not only focusing only this paragraph. There are lot of ways. There are different paragraph we are having. So the main point, the main the main idea is that we need to focus about the reading skills also. Ki either we are understanding, either we are getting or not properly. Okay, so the main focus, the main point is this: we are just reading a paragraph clearly, well mannerly, well structurally. So then we can just conclude, then we can say closing statement is there. So we need to focus about the reading skills also before having a paragraph. Now think of a good topic sentences for the search of detail. So we can take many days. Penguin moms lay the eggs and afterwards leave to guard food for 2 months. Penguin dads incubate the eggs until it hatches. They take turns caring for their chick and feeding in the sea. Once the egg hatches, the young stay sheltered in the pouch of the mother while the father brings food. These are some, think of a good topic sentences for the set of details. We can take student examples of topic sentences. Mother and father penguins both take care of their young, and mother and father penguins play a very important role in raising their young. So penguin mom and dads are very good parents. Penguin parents are very protective of their young, and I will show you how. So these are some examples. We can take many examples. There are a lot of examples. We have many examples. So we can take any examples according to our according to our convenience. So different paragraph, different topics. So we can also create many examples, we can create many topics, and we can create many paragraphs according to our own understanding. So paragraph details topic sentence. So Arizona has been thinking about extending the school year from May to June, but I think they should not extend the school year. What are some details you would expect to see in this paragraph? These are some new details topic sentence. So from this paragraph writing, we are just this is mental exercise. This is brain training. So brain training we are having, if we want to learn, or if we want to know more things, so we need to focus about the brain training. Okay, so we can take, or we can add more information, more ideas we can get, more details we can take. So more ideas also we can take from this. So the most important thing is we need to practice on that. Okay, so if we are practicing, and if we are practicing and we are talking and we are just writing a paragraph on different topics, so easily we can improve a lot. The examples, there are a lot of examples of details in this paragraph might be about why Arizona is extending the school year, when they plan to extend the school year, when, why, reasons, why it is a bad idea. So, from this slide, we can take many idea from this. We can take many idea, and according to our own understanding, according to our own own knowledge, we can put and we can write many more things on that. So why, when they plan, reasons why it is a bad idea. So there are a lot of details, there are a lot of ideas we are having on paragraph. So we should focus on these things. Think of closing statement. Now we are just taking some closing statement from this paragraph writing. So, this is first of all, before closing or before ending and before giving complimentary close. So, we need to just focus about just think over it. First of all, if we are not thinking, so how can we get any idea? How can we, take any, take information, and how can we write it on that. So the most important, the most part is we need to just focus, and we need to just write down some important parts, some important points. If we are writing, or if we are concluding our paragraph, if we are closing our paragraph, so lot of things should be in our mind, lot of ideas also should be in our mind why we are writing, and middling part, and between adding information, supporting many ideas, supporting many sentences, supporting many views. So these are very very important point we must have. So Egypt is most famous for their pyramids. There are over 100 pyramids in Egypt, but that information is unknown to many people. So most of the people are not aware, most of the people they don't know about the Egypt pyramid. So first of all, information should be there. The most the most popular and well-known pyramids are the pyramids of Giza. They are located in the Cairo. Pyramids were tombs for pharaohs. To complete the pyramids, workers hauled and lifted millions of limestone blocks that weighted an average of 2.5 tons each. They did not have iron tools or vehicles. The workers carried each stone by hand, pulled them on sleeves, and lifted them up mud ramps to be placed on the slowly rising structure. So this is, there are some knowledge, there are some information we must know about Egypt. Examples of closing statements. These are some statements. So, examples of closing statements. Now we are glad that Egyptians worked so hard so that we can admire the beauty. The pyramid, the pyramid have been standing in Egypt for a long time and they still stand for people to see. You can see why the Egyptian would be proud of all his hard work. We hope that someday scientists will be able to figure out how Egyptians built these ancient structures. So, if we're closing this paragraph, so, there are a lot of things we have understand about the Egypt, about the people, about the beauty, pyramid. So, the most important thing is, uh, we are just taking some knowledge, we are taking some ideas, we are taking some information from this. So the most important thing is, we must understand about the, how they, construct, how the ancient structure. So now some transitions to help your paragraphs flow together. They think ideas so that they relate to one another in the same way. Similarly, likewise, while these are some, connectors, you can say linking devices are there. So help your paragraph flow together. They link ideas so that they relate to one another. So these are, transitions words are there. There are some, transitions word. They are, linking devices. So with the help of these linking devices, we can connect. We can, link many ideas. We can link many information. We can add or many information together so that they relate to one another in the same way. Similarly, likewise, otherwise, on the other hand, although, thou, yet, because, and, or, many more. So we can, take some ideas as a result. Therefore, finally, in conclusion, in summary, lastly, and in addition. So these are some character, these are some linking devices. So we must have knowledge on that. If we are having knowledge on that, so it would be easy for us how to change, how to add, and how to start our paragraph, middle part and the concluding part. These transitions, these connectors are very very important in paragraph writing. So now we are just we have completed the paragraph writing. So now we can say from this paragraph, we have learned lot of things, how to write a paragraph. So writing paragraphs are very, very important. We can write on any topic and we can think on any topic and start writing. So, what is a paragraph? We have understand, and some objectives also, learning objectives also. We have discussed some objectives of paragraph writing, reasons to write a paragraph. This is a most important point. We need to focus on that. Writing, reasons to write a paragraph. So reasons are very important. If they're not having any reason, so this is difficult to write, write on any paragraph. Reasons. So reasons like describe something and tell a story and tell a story and explain something. If we want to explain, so the most important thing to explain something. Then after the persuade your writing. So some learning outcome is also very important. We are just focusing about the learning outcome. At the end of the course, the student will be able to write a paragraph in this topic. So need to support and add some ideas, add some examples, concluding sentences. So parts of a paragraph is also very important. Topic, sentences, subject should be clear, and we have to focus on the main subject and main focus point. Supporting details, supporting points. Then after the closing statement also should be there. Then after the details, if you're having details on and paragraph. So details, we need to focus on details. Then after we are just concluding the statement, closing statement. Then after the think of a good topic sentences for this set of it is. So the most important thing, we must focus about the main details, main points, main structure, main supporting sentences. So this is a very important point we need to focus on, during paragraph writing. Student examples of topics. So if we are talking about paragraph, so we are just taking we are taking many examples. We are taking some examples and even taking some supportive sentences during paragraph. So, penguin, we have the topic mother and father, penguin both take care, and important points. Very good parents, they are very good parents, and raising some their important points. So, paragraph details, so topic sentences, and Arizona has been thinking about the extending the school year from May to June. Why? So, what are some details you would expect to see in this paragraph? So, these all details should be, you must construct all these details. Examples are there. Think of a closing statement. We have already discussed about the closing statement. We have also taken some examples of closing statement, closing paragraph. Then after we have taken some transitions and linking words, linking devices and connectors. So if we are using some connectors, some transitions word, so it would be easy for us because we can take many more sentences, we can construct many sentences. So it is a very wonderful devices. We are just taking some connectors while although and conclusion in summary of that. Finally, therefore, so these linking devices should be clear and also must have knowledge about how to how to use it. So using how you know, using transmissions is a very important thing. We must focus about these devices. I hope we have clear and we have discussed all points on paragraph writing. Details also we have discussed. So from this topic, the most part is parts of the paragraph. So three parts. So we need to focus about the three parts. Three parts are very important parts. So with the help of these parts, with the help of these examples, we can construct many paragraphs in our day-to-day life. So topic sentences. So state the main idea of the paragraph. First of all, state the main idea of the paragraph. First of all, we are talking and focusing about the main idea of the paragraph. It tells the reader what the paragraph will be about. So, topic means we are on this topic. So, reader will understand about the paragraph about the topic. So, a good topic sentence does two things always: subject and their main focus. So, subject should be in a mind clearly, focusly, and freely without any hurdle and without any problem. So subject should be clear in our mind. Then after the main focus, we are focusing on the main point. Then after the supporting detail, here we are just talking about the supporting sentences and supporting example. So sentences that are connected to the main idea, they include information or details the reader needs in order to understand the topic. Sentences should be ordered in the best possible order. So main ways to do this is either by time, location, or importance. So supporting details always should be in mind before starting a paragraph. Then after the complementary closing statement, some of the paragraph message which remind the reader of the topic. So complementary close, complementary closing, and conclusion should be there because here we are talking about the closing. And if our closing part is solid, and if our closing part is, having uh, some important information, the reader will also take interest from this. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I'm just sharing my screen.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes,
वॉइस आ रही है ना सभी वॉइस आ रही है ना सभी को चलो नीतीश ये बताओ स्क्रीन इज विजिबल और नॉट
ma'am.
स्क्रीन विजिबल है नीतीश
Yes,
सोमनाथ
ma'am.
विशाल यस
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
स्क्रीन है बच्चों सभी को चलो
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ओके so tell me what was the last topic what we have discussed. Can anyone tell me about the previous topic what we
Ma'am,
have discussed? Tenses. Tenses we have discussed. So, any problem in tense? Any problem in tenses?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, have you revised some questions? Have you revised some, exercise of tenses? Have you revised it or not? Tell me. Honestly, tell me. Have you practiced this or not? सभी ने टेंस की प्रैक्टिस की है नहीं की ये बताओ मेरे को इफ यू आर नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग बेटर तो फिर बहुत जल्दी आप भूल जाओगे है ना क्योंकि टेंसेस का जो स्ट्रक्चर है दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट ओके स्टूडेंट्स तो थोड़ा सा
Ma'am.
वी नीड टू रिवाइज 2-3 टाइम्स बेटा देन थिंग्स विल बी यू कैन रिकॉल ओके स्टूडेंट्स तो थोड़ा सा आप प्रैक्टिस
Yes,
करते
ma'am.
रहिए अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है तो यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम यू कैन आस्क मी अगेन कि
Good
मैम
afternoon, ma'am.
मुझे ये गुड आफ्टरनून वेरी गुड गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स है ना तो प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है ना प्रैक्टिस करना चाहे हम छोटी चीज पढ़ते हैं या कुछ कोई भी टॉपिक पढ़ते हैं अगर उसकी हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं अच्छे से दैट इज मोर गुड इफ यू आर नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग बेटर कि आप कितना भी अच्छी चीज पढ़ लो या कितना ही मतलब कोई भी टॉपिक पढ़ लो बच्चे तो आप बहुत जल्दी उसको भूल जाओगे है ना तो प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है योर प्रैक्टिस ठीक है चलो so without wasting time we are just starting our topic actually effective of communications so we have already discussed about this topic ki effective communication why we are talking about the effective communication skills so can anyone tell me about the communication skills can any student tell me communication skills why we are emphasizing and why we are focusing about the many times about the effective communication skills yes any student can tell me about the communication because this is not new for you because we have already discussed about the communication yes so can you tell me
Sharing a
about the
feeling about idea person ma'am from one person to another.
okay और कुछ new thing
sharing, sharing idea and feeling together.
okay sharing ideas feelings yes very good और कोई yes कुछ और जो आप ऐड करना चाहो इसमें इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स में देखो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस टॉपिक योर ऑब्जेक्टिव शुड बी क्लियर राइट सो here we are just discussing about the objectives okay objective of communication skills so students define and understand communication and the communication process. That is the most important thing, before starting communication and before starting effective communication. You need to focus about the process. What is the process of communication? So second point, we have list and overcome. So now you need to list and overcome the filters, and you need to overcome the barriers in a communication process, right? So if you are practicing, if you're revising, if there is any hurdles, if there is any problem, if there is any barriers, any problem, so you need to overcome that. Okay, so list and overcome the filters, barriers in a communication process. Next point is practice active listening. So these are some objective ideas, students. की practice देखो, before taking this lecture, we have discussed many times practice what? Practice active listening. Okay, so you need to focus and also have a good listening skill. Okay, so active listening is very very important. Whatever is whatever we are just providing you, and whatever you are listening and whatever you are doing, so your listening skills is very very important. We must listen carefully, right? So this is the objective also. Next is your tips. So last objective of tips to improve verbal and non-verbal communication. Those students who are having those students who are having problem, okay, problem, and having hesitation, and having problem, hesitation, and facing problem front of people, and having problem cannot express our views, express our ideas freely, frankly, so students, we need to just improve it. Okay, am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my dear students, the most important point is the, just a minute, Rahul. Yes, so student, tips to improve verbal and non-verbal communication. This is the most important. We need to practice of verbal and non-verbal communication, right? Next is your point is what is communication. Many times, several times we have discussed about the what is communication, why we are talking about the factors of communication. So communication is the art of transmitting. So my dear students, first of all, we need to understand that this is the art. Art क्या है बच्चों की? Transmitting. So now your teacher, what we are doing here, we are just transforming. Okay, we are just transmitting information to you. Okay, we are just transmitting information, our ideas, our attitude from one person to another. So now we are just molding some points here. कि communication is the art of transmitting information, information, and ideas and attitude from one person to another. So communication is the process of meaningful interaction among human beings. So this is the most highlighted points. This is the most highlighted point is meaningful actually. Okay, as it does not does not mean मतलब कि we are saying many things, lot of things, but if there is no meaning, if there is no meaningful interaction, meaningful ideas, meaningful attitude, meaningful information, so everything our communication is failed. So if we are interacting, or we are just sharing, and we are just transmitting any kind of ideas, attitude, information, this is what we are just it should be meaningful. I hope I am clear to everyone. Am I clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो मीनिंगफुल की बात कर रहे हैं हियर, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नीतीश मीनिंगफुल, है ना? तो इंटरेक्शन भी होना चाहिए, वो कैसा होना चाहिए? मीनिंगफुल होना चाहिए, उसका कोई मीनिंग होना, उसका कोई हिडन मीनिंग होना चाहिए, राइट? So then after it essences, you can see personal process occur between people, involve change in behavior, means to influence others, expression of thoughts and emotion through words and action, tool and for controlling and motivating people, It is a social and emotional process. So, we are just concluding these points. These are some, basic points, very important points. You can say if we are just, motivating others. We are just motivating people. So, how can we motivating? How can we motivate? Or through words, through ideas, through influencing with our behavior, between and in process. So these are with the help of good communication, with the help of effective communication, we can do these things very well. Okay, तभी हम बच्चों कर सकते हैं. So you must improve your communication first of all. Okay, before saying anything. Okay, so you just think about it कि हम लोग क्या कहने जा रहे हैं और हमारे इसका मतलब क्या होगा, है ना. तो ये important है. Then after again, what are the most common ways we communicate? बच्चों देखो, there are 100 ways. Okay, now we are taking classes on Google Meet, Zoom. So these are सारे ways है बच्चों. These all are the ways. These what are the most common ways we communicate. So lot of ways we are having nowadays. Okay, because time has changed, so we cannot say कि only mobile phone या only this thing that thing. So there are lot of ways we can communicate. So spoken word, visual images, body language, and written word. So with the help of these things, we can communicate, and we can share our ideas. We can share our work to others easily. So with these are some ways. So students, I hope समझ में आ गया हो सबको. ये वाला नहीं आ रहा है तो you can ask again. Okay. So we have discussed now the most common ways we communicate. Next is types. Types सबको पता है कि डाउनवर्ड कम्युनिकेशन, अपवर्ड कम्युनिकेशन, लैटरल, डायगोनल, हॉरिजॉन्टल, फॉर्मल नेटवर्क, इनफॉर्मल नेटवर्क. ओके, कौन बताएगा मुझे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फॉर्मल नेटवर्क एंड इनफॉर्मल नेटवर्क? यस, आई एम आस्किंग बिकॉज आई होप कि हम लोगों ने कर लिया ये वाला. ये वाले जो कुछ पॉइंट्स है हम लोगों ने कई बार डिस्कस कर लिए हैं क्लास में कि डाउनवर्ड, अपवर्ड एंड लैटरल, डायगोनल, फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल नेटवर्क. कौन बताएगा मुझे? कैन एनीवन टेल मी अबाउट द फॉर्मल नेटवर्क और इनफॉर्मल नेटवर्क? यस, राहुल, आदित्य, अमरजीत. यस, सलोनी, मोनू,
Free
अग्नि.
to move any direction is informal network.
Yes, yes. Speak loudly.
Free to move any direction.
Okay. नीतीश, आप, आदित्य. यस, पता है इसके बारे में? यस और नो?
एक बार मैम रिपीट कर दीजिए.
फॉर्मल चैनल और इनफॉर्मल चैनल. फॉर्मल चैनल और इनफॉर्मल चैनल. यस. कैन एनीवन टेल मी अबाउट द फॉर्मल चैनल और इनफॉर्मल चैनल? We have discussed many time formal communication, informal communication. So I hope पता हुआ सबको formal channel क्या है. पता है किसी को formal channel क्या है भाई? देखो formal channel क्या है बच्चों कि virtually vertical as per chain go command within the hierarchy, and the informal free to move. देखो formal में क्या है कि we need to focus actually, है ना. If we are talking about the formal things, है ना, formal channel, formal communication, okay, so we need to focused, है ना. हमें कैसे काम करना है, हमें कैसे हमारी जो कम्युनिकेशन है या हमारा कैसा नेटवर्क है, इट शुड बी वेरी वेरी फॉर्मल, है ना. तो नेटवर्क जो भी रहेगा हमारा फॉर्मल रहेगा या इनफॉर्मल रहेगा. तो फॉर्मल में बेटा सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है कि वी नीड टू फोकस, है ना. इनफॉर्मल में क्या है कि जैसे हम बताते थे कि फॉर्मली वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग टू समवन, फॉर्मली वी आर जस्ट सेंडिंग समवन एनी डॉक्यूमेंट टू समवन. इनफॉर्मली व्हाट वी आर सेंडिंग. तो फॉर्मल में वी नीड टू फोकस अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर, वी नीड टू फोकस अबाउट द फॉर्मेटिंग. तो फॉर्मली जो फॉर्मल नेटवर्क होते हैं वो किस तरह से कम्युनिकेशन को एनहांस करते हैं, है ना. दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. ओके, सो वी नीड टू फोकस अबाउट द फॉर्मल एंड द इनफॉर्मल चैनल्स, ठीक है, कि हमें फॉर्मली हम कैसे किसी को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, इनफॉर्मली कैसे वी आर जस्ट कम्युनिकेटिंग टू अदर्स. तो नाउ यू नो प्रोसेस यू नो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि सेंडर, रिसीवर, मीडियम, फीडबैक. तो सेंडर क्या है, हमारा एनकोडर है, और रिसीवर क्या है, डिकोडर है. तो सपोज वी आर सेंडिंग या वी आर कम्युनिकेटिंग any email, yeah, any document, any formal document, if you are sending to, you know, and our receiver, you know, he or she is getting, okay, what we have sent, okay. So what we are receiving, if there is some mistake, if there is any error, so receiver can decode their point, decode their remark, decode their any remark and point. So uh, now he or she can get feedback. After response we can get feedback. So student, these are some, you know, process hai. So we need to focus about these all process. Whatever we are sending, either it is correct or incorrect, so we need to actually focus. So why we are saying this thing, because these all things are formal channel, formal communication. We need to focus actually, okay, whatever we are just communicating to others. So इन मीडियम, देखो मीडियम क्या है, बैरियर्स है, बैरियर्स है, बैरियर मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी. सपोज सेंडर है, रिसीवर है, और बच्चों मीडियम क्या है आपका, ये बैरियर शो कर रहा है, देखो, है ना. तो बैरियर में क्या है, प्रॉब्लम्स, हर्डर्स, है ना, जो भी कुछ आती है, कैसे उनको यू नो इम्प्रूव करना है, कैसे उनको रिजॉल्व करना है, कैसे उनको सॉल्व करना है, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, ओके. तो द कॉमन प्रोसेस में यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द, यू नो, सेंडर, रिसीवर, मीडियम एंड द फीडबैक. देन आफ्टर द बैरियर, देखो बैरियर्स टू कम्युनिकेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कम्युनिकेशन से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस के बैरियर्स है ना. जो बैरियर्स मतलब जो हर्डल्स, प्रॉब्लम जो आती है जो उसमें आती है हमारे बैरियर्स में, ठीक है. तो नॉइस सबसे बड़ा है आपका बैरियर्स. इन एप्रोप्रिएट मीडियम, सपोज यू नो मीडियम इज नॉट प्रॉपर, so you will not feel well and you will not feel, you know, good during the communication, okay. So inappropriate medium is also part of the barrier. Assumptions and misconception, suppose whatever topic या whatever point या whatever agenda we are discussing, if you are not getting, the concept is not getting properly, okay, misconception is there, assumption is not good. So this is also part of the barriers. You need to understand this point. Emotions are also, okay. Suppose if somebody want to say something to you, है ना, emotionally he or she is attached, या want to discuss, या want to communicate, if you are not ready to listen his or her words, his or her feelings, so this is also part of the barriers. I hope समझ में आ रहा है सभी को इतना, ठीक है. लैंग्वेज, अब हम देखें लैंग्वेज डिफरेंसेस. लैंग्वेज इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द, यू नो, बैरियर, कि वी आर नॉट गेटिंग प्रॉपर्ली अंडरस्टैंड अदर्स लैंग्वेज विद द हेल्प ऑफ लैंग्वेज, ओके. पुअर लिसनिंग स्किल्स इज आल्सो द, यू नो, बैरियर्स, कि यू नो इफ वी आर हैविंग पुअर लिसनिंग, है ना, so we cannot you know perform well, or we cannot, you know, present ourselves well, because we are having poor listening skills, right. Distraction is also one of the, you know, barriers. Suppose at a time we are thinking lot, you know, 2 or 3 things and we are doing, so we cannot perform well if we are having distractions and we are not, you know, attentive, okay, care, and we are not careful about it, okay. This is also the barrier. So hearing and listening is also very important. Hearing, physical process, natural, passive mode, listening, physical as well as mental process, active learn process, a skill, because actively we are participating, actively we are listening, and we are responding as well, okay. Listening is hard, you know, you must choose a participate in the process of listening. Value of listening, listening is listening to others is an elegant art, okay. And good listening reflect courtesy and good manners, okay. Listening carefully to the instructions of superiors improve competency and performance. The result of poor listening skill could be distressed in business, employment, and social relations. Good listening can eliminate a number of imaginary events of employee. Good listening skill can improve social relations and conversation. Listening is a positive activity rather than a passive or negative activity. So, my dear student, what we have learned from the value of listening. So, koi any student can tell me ki the value of listening? Can anyone? We have discussed about the value of listening. Can any student can define or say something about the listening? Any student? Yes. Nishant, Aditya, Amarjeet, Nitish, Saloni. Yes. Any student can define something new about the listening? No? Nitish,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
We have discussed about the value of listening, beta. So can any point if you want to add कुछ बताना चाहोगे मुझे इसके बारे में because we have discussed about the value of listening. Yes. Any point?
And better understanding and make connection between idea and information.
Okay. और कोई? देखो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है इसको अंडरस्टैंड करना बेटा. If we are only reading or not getting properly, this is also problem. ठीक है? Listening to others is an elegant art. Good listening reflect courtesy and good manners. Okay, good listening good listening reflect courtesy and good manners. So listening carefully to the instructions. Okay, अगर सपोज कोई इंस्ट्रक्शंस है आपके सामने, कोई आपको सपोज रीड करना है, so you need to listen carefully first of all, then you can act okay accordingly. So we need to focus and we need to listen carefully. This is the value of listening. So good listening, हम लोग क्यों कहते हैं कि good listening skill can improve social relations and conversation. अगर बच्चों if you want to continue keep good relationship or good relation with others, so we need to communication better, we need to conversation, we need to good conversation. Okay, so listening is a positive activity rather than a passive. Okay, so your active listening and your passive listening, you must understand about the active listening and your passive listening. Okay, then after essential of communication, so always think ahead about what you are going to say. That's a very very essential point we are discussing over here. Always think okay what we are saying to others, कहीं हम किसी को hurt तो नहीं कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो हमेशा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कुछ भी कहने से पहले यू नीड टू थिंक. ओके, ऑलवेज थिंक. समझ में आ रहा है इतना सभी को?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो वी आर नॉट वी आर नॉट हर्टिंग टू अदर, हम किसी को हर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो ऑलवेज थिंक अहेड अबाउट व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू से. यूज सिंपल वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस दैट आर अंडरस्टूड बाय एवरीबॉडी. ओके स्टूडेंट, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है ऑलवेज यूज सिंपल वर्ड्स, सिंपल लैंग्वेज, simple phrases that anyone can understand about what we have said, yeah, what we are saying. Okay, to increase your knowledge on all subject, you are required to speak clearly and audibly. हमेशा हम पूछते हैं ना, speak clearly, audibly, am I audible to you or not? Why? Because we are just communicating and we just want to connect with each other. Okay, check twice with the listeners whether you have been understood accurate or not. In case of an interruption, always do a little recap. Okay, suppose there is some disturbance, so just take little recap of what has been already said. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब we are just reading and reading and reading. So if you want to take some pause, yeah, recap, then again you can start your conversation. Okay, it is not a big deal कि we need to sum up or we need to just conclude our point right now. Okay, so we can take recap also, recap of what has been already said. Always pay undivided attention to the speaker while listening. While listening, always makes notes, important point. If you want to highlight, want to make notes, you can do that. अगर लगता है कुछ points important है, highlighted points है, तो we can write down. Always ask for clarification if you have failed to grasp others point of view. Agar if you are not getting properly, if there is any problem during conversation, you can take you can ask again. Okay, So repeat what the speaker has said to check whether you have understood accurately, right? So do not instantly react and mutter something in anger. Do not use technical terms and terminologies not understood by majority of the people. We have discussed this point also. कि do not use technologies, technical terms. Okay, अगर कोई बच्चों समझ में नहीं आ रहा है किसी बच्चे को, तो बच्चों वेस्ट है ना. टेक्निकल वर्ड्स बच्चों हम जब यूज करें जब सामने वाला उसको अंडरस्टैंड करे, है ना. जो just try to use simple and the simple language words. Okay, do not speak too fast or too slow. That is also the essential point. Do not speak too fast or too slow. Do not speak in inaudible surroundings as you want to be heard. Do not assume that everybody understand you. While listening, do not glance here and there as it might distract the speaker. Also, do not interrupt the speaker. Do not jump on to the conclusion that you have understood everything. Okay, so this is also very important points कि we are not jumping. Okay, suppose आज हमने start किया communication, आज हमने start किया essential of communication, effective of communication. So we cannot conclude this slide या conclude this topic मतलब fastly. So we need to understand. We take some time. Okay, so do not jump to the conclusion that you have understood everything, right? So these are some points how to improve. Okay, so improve language, improve pronunciation, work voice modulation, work on body language, read more, listen more, read more, interact with qualitative people, improve on your topic of discussion, and practice meditations, good thoughts, think and speak. Do not speak too fast. Use simple vocabulary. Do not speak only to impress someone. Look presentable and confident. These are very simple points, very important points, because we are here, we are just improving, we want to improve ourselves. Okay, okay. So there is no any hidden meaning, and there is no any point. We are just here, we just want to improve ourselves and nothing else. Okay, this is the main points. We need to focus and we need to improve ourselves. Okay, then after improving body language, very important, keep appropriate distance. First of all, touch only when appropriate. Take care of your appearance. Be aware people may give false cues. Maintain eye contact. Smile genuinely. Okay, so success for you in the new global and diverse workplace require excellent communication skills. So students, I am just conclude this class right now because we have meeting. So students, this is the most important point. We need excellent communication skills. Okay, so please you just focus on 4 skills: your listening skills, your speaking skills, your reading and writing. Okay, so thank you students. So have a nice day. Okay students, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.